Welcome to the course Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, Machine Learning and Data Science. This is an introductory course for beginners. You will learn to reimagine hot buzzwords and terminologies such as artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, deep learning, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, natural language processing and computer vision, etc. Also, I will walk you through the variety of problem statements which machine learning can solve. I am Pradeep. I began my career with High Energy Leaders as data analysis and ETL development engineer. Currently, I am working in data science and machine learning domain. I have worked on and delivered data-centric prediction engines for several business subdomains with some of the brightest and most talented people in the industry. This course is being designed for beginners to provide introductory knowledge about buzzwords related to artificial intelligence, etc. By the end of the course, you will be able to define the buzzwords related to AI such as data science, machine learning, deep learning, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, natural language processing and computer vision, etc. You will get idea about variety of problem statements which machine learning can solve. Ideal student for this course is beginner who is looking for introductory knowledge related to hot technologies such as data science, machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, etc. If you are beginner, student, production support engineer, professional working in any other technology, manager who is willing to get introductory knowledge related to artificial intelligence, then you are landed on right knowledge source to transform your thought process. This is just an introductory course, but if you go beyond this introductory course and get yourself skilled in the domain of data science and machine learning, then these are decent salary figures which you can observe. Salary figures are latest as of this record. Data science. This is an introductory course for beginners. This course will definitely add certain value to your knowledge. I request you to gear up now and complete the course further. In this course, we will talk about different terminologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, as well as we will see certain real-time examples so that you can understand how machine learning can help solve the business problem statements. AI, machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, these are several buzzwords in today's market, and it is very necessary for you to at least understand the meaning of these terminologies so that you will not at all feel disconnected. This course will give you certain knowledge which is must in today's market. These days, every sector in the industry is trying to incorporate artificial intelligence in their software applications because it is giving the industries a tremendous benefit, because artificial intelligence has a capability to incorporate human-like thought process into their software applications. We will also discuss certain real-time examples so that you will understand how artificial intelligence or machine learning can help business to solve their problem statements, or how machine learning can improve their existing business processes.